Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology with an update on the tropical low that's likely to reach tropical cyclone intensity within the next 24 hours. Now the low, it tracked right across from the top end and through the Kimberley. It's brought vast areas of rain and squally thunderstorms right across northwestern parts of Australia. And overnight Thursday, it moved across the coast and is now situated about 270 kilometres to the west of Broome. Now, this is the fifth low pressure system to affect northwestern parts of Australia since December. And through January, we've seen some very heavy rainfall through the Kimberley. Kununurra's had its wettest January on record, and it's sitting just 11 millimetres shy of recording its wettest month ever on record. So it's not surprising, given all of the rainfall we've experienced in the last 4 to 5 weeks, that we do have flood warnings in place through the Kimberley and extending down into the Pilbara as well. So if you're travelling through these regions, check in with local authorities to make sure that it's safe to travel. And now let's turn our attention to the low. It's currently situated 270 kilometres to the west of Broome. Now that it's over the Indian Ocean, it's going to be drawing in energy from those warm waters. And so we are expecting to see it continue to develop and potentially turn into or reach tropical cyclone intensity at some stage overnight Friday night or in the early hours of Saturday morning. So what that means is that the coastal regions to the west of Pardue all the way down to Exmouth are likely to experience damaging winds. That's wind gusts up to 100 kilometres per hour, and also some heavy rain and squally thunderstorms as the low tracks towards the southwest. Now, as with all tropical cyclones, there is an area of uncertainty with this cyclone, the way that it's going to move. And so we are expecting at this stage for it to move away from the coastal regions, but in case it does just track a little bit further south, areas around the Barrow Island and islands through that region may experience destructive winds with wind gusts up to 130 kilometres per hour. At this stage, it is expected to move just far enough north that it'll only be wind gusts up to 100 kilometres per hour. But if you're in these regions, be sure to be checking in with all the latest updates from the Bureau. Now, as it continues to move towards the southwest, it will move over some cooler waters and begin to weaken through towards the end of the weekend. But with a cyclone potential, this would be our second cyclone of the season. Be sure to be getting all of the updates from the Bureau's website and Bomb Weather app. You can get advice from Emergency WA website, and you can also get updates on Twitter.